Okay, good morning. Welcome to
MathPractice number 89.
Math Practice number 89. And today we're going to actually, do the first of, we'll probably do 5 videos about this. This is actually a really neat thing. It's learning about counting in other bases. And let me show you what I mean by that. So we know what numbers like this mean. Let's call it, say, 6,354. Okay, so if I have that number, 6,354, do you know what that means?
It means 6,000 plus 300 plus 50 plus 4.
It means 6,000 plus 300 plus 50 plus 4. So we have a shorthand. It would take a long time if all of our numbers we had to say out like this. 6,000 plus 300 plus 50 plus 4. Like if you went to the store to buy some Legos, and it costs $32, and you, instead of saying $32, you said 30 plus $2, that'd get annoying pretty fast, right?
Yeah.
So we have a shorthand for saying 6,000 plus 300 plus 50 plus 4, which is 6,354. And when we add numbers together, we take advantage of the fact that of what this really means. So if I add, say, 5,891 to this, we can just add the thousands, add the hundreds, add the tens, and add the ones, and we can say this is 11,000 plus, what's 300 plus 800?
That's 1,100.
1,100 or 1,100. What's 50 plus 90?
It's 140.
140. And what's 4 plus 1?
5.
4 plus 1 is?
5.
5. And so now we can just add up again, and we get 12,245. And the reason we can add the thousands, the hundreds, the tens, and the ones together is just because that's what these mean. But, so we have a name for our little shorthand system. It's called base 10, or decimal. And each base, I forgot what my number was, let's just call 5,421. Probably wasn't the same number. This is called the ones digit. Actually, let me call it 23. It's called the ones digit. This is called the tens digit. Here, remember what this was, 400? So this is called the 100s digit. And this is called the thousands digit. And each time we go one digit over, we just multiply by
10.
10. That's right. So we go from 1 to 10. 10 times 10 is?
100.
And 100 times 10 is?
1,000.
What's 1,000 times 10?
10,000.
10,000. But when we're going to learn about other bases, we're going to learn that you don't have to do this with tens. Okay? You can do it with any number. The maybe not the most common, or probably the most common, other way besides base 10 is base 2, which is called binary. And binary is used by computers and robots and probably Lego guys and other stuff. And binary is a special one that we'll talk about in our video tomorrow, and it uses numbers other than 10 to represent the bases. Or sorry, to represent the digits. So that's going to be pretty cool. So this is why we count like this. And then tomorrow we're going to learn about
Binary.
Binary. High five. All right, good job today, sweetie. Why don't you do